Now I'm going to show you how you can utilize Google's environment, which is totally free, and you can utilize Google Keep, Google Task and Google Calendar for your ideas and for your tasks. Streamline your processes without constantly managing your to-dos and tasks. So now let's jump into it. Here is a fresh Google Keep that you can utilize for your ideas, for your note taking and on the go. So just click on take a note and store your ideas, like anything that you want to clip from the web, any post that you want to save, or any video that you want to watch later, or any idea or any to do that you want to add to your calendar or to your Google Task later on. Just keep them all in your Google Keep. So from Google Keep, just type in your ideas, like if I store my ideas like YouTube, video making, topics, and now I can add a checklist to this. Show tick boxes, and now I can add video ideas to my Google Keep. So let's make an idea like Notion, getting started with Notion. After Notion, let's do Todoist. How to use Todoist to so these are the ideas that I have stored, and now I can keep that and I can tag it as ideas as well. So this is an icon that you won't see, it's from Toggle Track. I'll show you in another video, but for now I'll tag this as ideas. Then you can store any information, like for example a contact. Like these things won't be visible on yours. This is coming from an extension. I'll show you in a later video how you can add that extension and organize your Google Keep, but for now just showing the basics so you can get the idea of storing the information that you want to note down in your Keep. So let's say you are on any page that you want to keep bookmarks of, just copy that link and store that information. And after storing the information, like keep this as info, and then for anything else you can use other tags like contacts, like Ahmed, Akbar. For phone numbers, I'll use demo phone number as of now. Let's use a demo phone number and I'll tag this as a contact. Okay, so these are the labels that I have added here, and I can customize those later on. This is another event that I may join. Fiverr upcoming event. When is the time? This is the event time, and this is the title. Okay. So 25 February, it's 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Okay. So these are the information that I wanted to store. Now that I have the list of the tasks that I want to add, I just have to copy, just hide tick boxes and copy the task one by one to your Google Task. Okay, to go to Google Task, just log into your Gmail, and then here you will see the Google Task icon. Just click on that and it will open the Google Task icon, then add task, and you can add the task one by one. So I'll just copy the tasks from here and add it to there. There are some extensions to do this. I'll show you in a bit. I'll link a video for that. But it's just easier to just copy and paste because you don't have many tasks to do, right? So these are the tasks. So you can actually create a list for your tasks that you want to do. We will create the list later on when we will dive into in details for Google Tasks. But for this video, I'm just showing you how you can organize your tasks from Google Keep to Google Tasks. Okay, after adding the task in Google Task, just mark this as done. So you can just keep a note here like moved, or you can actually just change the color from color to green, and that's it. This is done moving. Now I have an event, upcoming event that I want to join on 25th February, that I want to add the link on my calendar. To visit the calendar, just go to calendar.google.com, and after coming into the calendar, just click on the date that you want to add the event on 25th February, and it's around 3:30. So I'll just click on this field and I'll add the details there. I'll adjust the time later. So this is Fiverr event. I'll just add the title, and this is the description, 25th February 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So this is going to happen on 3:30 to 4:30, and I want to add a description there, and the description should have the link to join the event. Okay, so this is it. Then I'll just save it, and for the events I can actually change the color. As this is a Fiverr event, I can change the color to green, to similar colors of Fiverr. So this is an event. I can actually rename this like this, Fiverr, so I know which event is that. So this is a Fiverr event, and I have scheduled the event in my calendar. So from Google Keep, I have listed the event on my calendar, and now this is moved. So I can just call it moved, or I can just mark it as green color so I know it's moved. And for the contact, I have the contact details here, and I can keep it there, and I can add many other contacts later on, like Zubair Islam. And for example, if I had another, so I'll just add it as contact. Now in Google Keep, I have these categories where I can actually search from the keywords or the hashtags that I have used to mark the specific nodes. So these are the nodes, all nodes, and I can actually filter out through the tags that I have used. So these are the basic ideas that we can use from Google Keep to Google Task and Google Calendar, how you can organize your information, your tasks, and your events throughout the Google Workspace, and easily manage your schedules, manage your upcoming data, so you are not overwhelmed with all the data. So this is the simple way of us building our second brain. I'll talk on this more on the later video, and I'll link those videos in the description. So this was it, how you can organize using Google Keep, Google Task, and Google Calendar, and organize the data and streamline your work process using this system. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share more in-depth tutorials on this channel. And if you have anything for me to cover, just leave the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.